In association with International Women's Day, the World Association for Sustainable Development have presented the Outstanding Early Career Achievement Award for Most Influential Women, presented and awarded to Dr. Samira Mohammed. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How does it feel to be recognized for your leadership and your resilience in the face of adversity in these trying times?
Well, I would like firstly to thank you so much for having me. And I was honored and privileged to get such an award, and during these difficult times. And as you've said, despite the adversity and all of the difficulties facing and the war, yes, facing the country. And I hope that this award motivates younger colleagues to continue their work, to continue improving their fields, no matter what the situations are, no matter what the difficulties that they're facing, and to always bloom wherever they're planted.
You've been heavily involved in the Mycetoma Research Center. What is mycetoma, and why have you dedicated so much of your personal time to it?
Well, mycetoma is recognized by the World Health Organization as a neglected tropical disease. It's a disease that affects poor people in poor remote areas who don't have access to healthcare facilities. And I've seen the misery of these patients, and I've seen the complications of the disease. So that's why I advocated for helping these patients and improving their lives.
You've been involved in initiative post-war to provide care to patients. What were the most difficult aspects of this? And especially since you've had to do everything from far away, from a distance.
Well, it was a continuous effort actually to just provide medicines for these patients. And since the very first days of the war, when the war started, and at that time I was still in Khartoum actually, and we were trying through the center to contact NGOs, the Ministry of Health, the WHO, to provide us with medicines for these patients. Actually, and luckily in October 2023 we had medicines at that time, and yes, we were lucky actually to get them, after.
So you were able to raise the awareness. You found a very cure.
Well, okay, raising the awareness was there, but also at that time we were just focusing on just trying to get these medicines for these patients of course, improve their lives.
You've also been involved in co-founding the Mycetoma Young Researchers Association. Can you please tell us more about what this is?
The Mycetoma Young Researchers Association, or MYRA for short. We co-founded MYRA with an aim of creating a platform or a hub for young researchers interested in mycetoma. And also, the senior researchers would come and help these junior researchers to do some research in mycetoma. And MYRA is an interdisciplinary group. You can find people from economics, you can find psychologists, you can find from different fields actually. Just all to come together, to work together to improve the lives of these patients, to conduct research to improve the lives of these patients.
You've recently started a new role at the National University in Sudan. Part of the reason you've been given this award is for your work with students, mentoring students, and the remarkable results that students have come out with after your mentoring. What are your plans for the students of the clinical and industrial pharmacy faculty?
Well, okay, joining the National University started much earlier, before being a member, a staff member actually. Back in 2024, the Center for Professional Development at the National University was organizing some lectures and workshops, and luckily it was open for the public. And then I was as lucky to join these workshops, and I've seen the environment and the supportive. Everyone was supportive, everyone was welcoming, everyone was friendly. And then a couple of months later, I joined I joined as a teaching assistant at the Faculty of Clinical and Industrial Pharmacy. Coming to what students, what plans I have, of course, I will look into developing into.
We're in the digital age.
Yes, we are in the digital age, and then introducing or implementing the innovations that are currently being, that are currently emerging, actually, to improve the education, to improve the education for pharmacy students, and to prepare them, to well prepare them for the market, actually, after they graduate.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. It was a really nice time. Thank you.
Thank you.